Want to design a beautiful flyer for your salon? DesignWiz gives you 3 creative ways to make your flyer. First up, the template lover. You like it quick and easy. Head over to Templates, Salon Flyers, and pick your favorite design. Customize your title, add your special offers, and update the details to match your business. And boom, your professional salon flyer is ready in minutes. Next, the AI Wizard. You already have a layout or color in mind. Go to AI Tools, AI Flyer Generator. Type in what kind of flyer you want, add your business details, choose your color theme, then click Generate Flyer. In seconds, DesignWiz creates a complete salon flyer for you. You can still tweak the design to match your brand vibe perfectly. And finally, the creative designer. You love starting from scratch and making something truly unique. Set a background and pick colors that match your brand. Then include your services, prices, and even a QR code for easy bookings. That's it, your custom flyer is ready to impress. So, which one are you? The template lover, the AI wizard, or the creative designer? Let us know in the comments. However you design, DesignWiz makes it simple, fast, and fun. Start creating your own salon flyer today for free.